Today is the HUDCO's 55th. Today is the HUDCO's 55th raising day, and we had done a journey of 55 years, starting from a small housing finance initiative of Government of India. In those days, there was no institution to support the affordable housing and the economically weaker section. So, Government of India has taken a step to have a transparent manner loan extending to the poor sections. So, HUDCO in its role had lived to that expectation of the Government of India, and then grown leaps and bounds during last 55 years. So now we are a full consultancy wing. We have a full capacity building institution, and now we are a infrastructure finance company. So we are a Navratna CPSU, and it's a listed company. So on all kinds of governance, we are being tested, and we are coming at par with the best organizations within the country. We are aligning all our policies and products in line with the vision of Honorable Prime Minister of Viksit Bharat. So we are into the financing of water, sewage, then drainage, new cities, satellite towns, energy, green energy, mobility. So there is no bar for the company as far as the sectors are there. So this is a company which can contribute towards the vision of Viksit Bharat in all possible manner, in all possible sectors. So this is a right time for this company or the companies like HUDCO to contribute towards the bigger goals. The, the financial ratios are very strong. The rating is AAA. We are getting best funds at the best competing pricing, and our motto is not the profitability but the social justice. So we are working towards the sustainability, we are working towards the viability, we are working towards the more bankable projects, so the PPP player can come. It is not only the role of the government or the state government, it is the private sector and every other players who will get the opportunity to create the infrastructure for our future generations. Thank you so
Could
much.
you just talk about the financials?
So if you see, the financials are continuously improving. So if year to year basis, if you see 9 months, we had grown around 36% of our profits. Our NPA is continuously reducing. Now we are in the best of the industry. We are at 0.27%. Then our loan book is continuously improving. In last 1 year, we have grown around 40%. So now we are at around 1.2 lakh crores. So the yearly results are planned in first week of May. And I am very hopeful, and I can assure you that we will be continually work on this profitability path. We will maintain our names, we will maintain our spreads, and we are cutting down our cost of funds. And Government of India has recently given us a window of 54 EC, which is an historical moment for the company. So I thank through your medium to the Government of India for giving us the opportunity, and I will assure to all the stakeholders that we will be the competitive player, because we understand that interest plays a vital role in the viability of the infrastructure projects. So we will play as a responsible player, not alone the profits, but the responsibility lies first towards the country.